Hello, my name is Katie Zarco Cardoso, and I'm excited to provide a look at the improved redesign of the review widget. The review widget has now been redesigned with a modern look and feel to include a few updates. The first thing you'll notice is that a client who has purchased a product or service or attended at least one service and submitted a review will be marked as a verified customer in the review with this little green check mark. You also now have the ability to sort reviews based on the date added, as well as ratings. When leaving a review, clients will see a couple things. So when clicking to leave a review by clicking Write a Review, they will either be asked to sign in or sign up if they haven't already signed in. So I have a client here who is signing in. When the client signs in, they can now see that there is a maximum character limit. Then they can leave their review, hit submit, and upon submission, they will see how many reward points they earned from writing the review, as well as they have the ability to share the review on social media. We can see that this client here, Katie, who just left the review, also can share this review from social media right from the review page. And that's it for this video on the redesign of the review widget. Thank you so much for watching.